Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a fun little video. We're using a page kit, so this is page kit 30 for me. Feeling pretty good about that. And it is 52 weeks of everyday life photos. So it's a series that was started by my lovely friend Miranda Weber. This is my everyday photo we're going to do. This is my husband's leg, and that's the Basset Hound. He's sitting on a chair, but he pulls a chair up next to her because she's a very long dog. She can't fit in a chair, so she needs extra room. So she uses her daddy's leg, little knee there, to rest her head. So she's just chillaxing there. This was in the summertime. Got this kit. It's also a Buttons Galore and More layout, so I still have this fun box that I'm playing with. We've got some ribbon. We've got these little guys. I'm trying to see. We've got all kinds of fun things. Let's see what we can use today. Kind of like that. Let's use that one. Okay. Put that back up there. So we've got, I pulled these little guys. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but hey, we've got this fun, that didn't work out too well, so I used my little containers to house all the stuff that was in bags, because that's just easier for me, you guys. It didn't stay sealed. So this is a mixture. This is the Hugs and Kisses mixture, so it's got like little half gems, sequins, all kinds of fun things going on in there. These are just some pearls. And then this is the jewels, just half jewels. So we'll see what we can make. I've got this piece right here that's from an old kit club. I would like to use that up. Again, these three old kit club. So I'm hoping that we could do something with that. It was a random key I found. I have this little guy here from my rando bin of tickets, so those match. But I actually think we'll do 3 different colored tickets, right? So we'll get those in there, and this can go back in my rando pile. Enamel dots goes with it. There's a scrap room kit. This little chipboard sheet that's from, I don't know, L Studio maybe? I don't know. Not real sure. My 2 rando bags that match perfectly with this, and a 3rd rando bag. Might not match so well. Sticker sheet. Whatever we don't use up will go in one of those rando bags. And this is the paper that I have left. So I think we know we're going to use this as our 12 by 12. And not real sure what we're going to do with that. But we are going to come in. Let's see. That could go. This is Brutus Monroe old paper. We could use those two to mat. So I've just pulled random 6x6 paper pads that I would like to use and just get used up, basically. So let's trim what is going to be our background paper down. Take the branding strip off. We're in the middle of Snowmageddon right now here in the Midwest. It is January 5th. And lots has been going on, right? So it has been snowing for probably 6 hours, and we have several inches. which may not seem like a lot to some people. But where I live, we don't really get snow. We get a light dusting and then it just goes away. And that did not happen. So let's cut this stone as well and see what we can create. So let me go ahead and put some things together and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have a little bit done. I went ahead and matted the photo twice, popped it up on some foam, took that one band and just ran it right there. I do still have this. I could possibly, I don't really know what I could do. But then it leaves this over here with nothing. Unless we just make it part of it, right? Let's try that. Can I get that right there? Don't like that. Should have thought of that before. Never mind. Put that weird gate wood piece on there. Popped down because it ran longer than my photo, so I just popped that little green piece and got those two floors on there and that key, and that's as far as I've got so far. But could do a little. I'll put the drum up front because she's a drama queen. What if we tucked these guys in down there? Let's try that. Put one there. Hope I didn't just mess up that gluing I had going on over the little rosebud that's kind of sitting there. It did, because I just made it, but we'll fix that shortly. Let's just add some more glue. I'm using quite a bit because it's got to hold down this very, very big piece. Okay, so we've got that going on. Now, I might just use stuff from this and not bring in any of this, which is fine. You can't use the bees because the bees not on here. It's not Bumbos. I always use bee when I do my other dog because her name is Bee. And we call her Bumbo because she's a bumblebee. Anyway, so let's go ahead and add this little guy down here as well. And don't actually know why I thought my finger would pick something up that didn't have any ink on it, but, or, you know, whatever. Put that one up there. Okay. I like this. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. I think we'll put it right there, and then we'll do a little something right here. Like the little everyday moments. Just to fill that little gap in. Okay, I was like, is it straight? And let's do something fun with these little balls on the gate here, or whatever this is supposed to be. I don't actually know what this is supposed to be honest with you guys. But let's do a big one right in the center, and then we'll go with the medium, 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 and the small ones. Do another medium one because we want to make it even on both sides. Okay. All right. That's kind of fun. I know. I'm a little weird. I understand. We need to put something up here. Let's see, what if we just pop that there? Get that one right there. That's cute. That's cute. What else do we have on here? I'm gonna get these little floral circles. Stuck around. What else? The little documented down here in the corner. Sorry, I'm off screen. And the little favorite. Today. That just says note. Okay. Put that there too, just kind of layer that up. So really we've got all our embellishing down here because of that big cluster there. I was thinking maybe we'll just come in. This is if we come in, put one there, put one there. So that's let's do that. I'm gonna use the crystals, and that's, well, probably going to come in with some enamel dots as well, but that's going to kill this collection off, which is fun. So the art glitter glue will dry clear. Uh-oh. Well, that was a different one, but that's fine. Let's make sure we get at least one of those in every, uh-oh. Every little cluster. Or at least something to that effect. So, add some here. Okay, and one more. Okay, put those around. So these are from Buttons, Galore and More. Love it. Then we'll use some of these enamel dots. Actually, just gonna start spreading them around, right? Because I want to use up this whole sheet. So we're just gonna add them kind of here, there, and everywhere. Maggie, what are you doing? You gotta pay attention. Because she just her little tippy toes, right? That was my phone. And little tippy toes mean she's doing something. And that uses that. So that is good, and this kit is killed. So head on over to Buttons, Galore and More. Check out all of their fun little elements. And see what you can come up with on your own. And there is a hop list for the 52 weeks of random photos. I don't know the exact name of it, but you get the idea. And that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.